Welcome to Rome, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. We're going to get off the train here at the Roma Termini, which is a Rome train station, show you how to get to the metro, show you how to buy your metro tickets, and then show you how to go on line A from the Termini stop to the Spagna stop. We're going to the Spagna stop because that's where the Spanish Steps are. That's where our hotel is tonight. And we'll show you how to get off the Spagna and walk towards the Spanish Steps.
I was just a labor back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome to Rome, Italy, and the Rome train station, and also known as the Roma Termini. Roma Termini is the main railway station in Rome, Italy. Now, if you are entering Rome by train, this is what you're going to see. We arrived in Rome at the train station, one of the top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. But we've heard about the pickpocketers, the scam guys, so we're going to watch out. We're going to try and get down to the metro, we're going to try to get to our hotel. So we've got to keep our wits about us. We are now going to take you through the Rome train station down to the metro.
Il treno 1553 di Italia delle ore 12:26 per Reggio Calabria Centrale e in partenza dal binario 13. Ferma la linea Fori Imperiali-Colosseo, Napoli Centrale, Salerno, Battaglia, Testo, Acropoli Castellabate, Valdo della Lucaria, Castelnuovo, Sapri, Praga, Meta Turcola, Stare a Santa Domenica Calao, Tavola, a Mangiare, Lamezia Termini Centrale, Tipo Valencia Chiesa, Rosario, Domenica Calao, Tavola, a Mangiare, Lamezia Termini Centrale, Tipo Valencia Chiesa, Rosario,
Yeah, we were famous.
Airport taxi.
Where's the metro? The metro. Metro? Grazie. Grazie, grazie. This is a map of the Rome train station. We've just arrived on track 12. We have gone through security, and you can see the red circle there with the red M. Stands for metro. We are going to go down into the metro. Follow us. Grazie, grazie. Don't get pickpocketed, whatever you do. I don't want to get pickpocketed. I don't want anybody to pickpocket me. Anybody gets that close to certain parts of me? It's not good. No. Hey, there's a sign for the metro. Metro. The metro. In Roma. Line A. Let's see what line we're supposed to be on. We're trying to get to Spagna stop. Oh, good. She loves her McDonald's. Yeah, I know. We'll go down and see the map. Two Rome metro lines, A and B, intersect at Termini metro station. We have a hotel booked tonight right beside the Spanish Steps, and we have to get off at the Spagna Metro stop.
Oh, we want that one over there. The left one. Bastini.
We know that we want Metro Line A, and in this diagram it is the red line, and we want to go in the direction of the end point, which is Bastini. I've circled Bastini.
With everything.
Here is some information regarding ticket prices. Given this information, you can decide which ticket is best for your travel itinerary.
So, we just got here to the Metro. We made a decision to get a 3-day pass, 72 hours, and it cost us 18 euros each. So that way we can just get on and off whenever we want for the next 3 days. We're gonna fly out, I think, in roughly about three days or something like that. So, anyways, it was 12 euros for 1 day. What was it for 2?
Or 7 euros for 1 day.
7 for 1 day, 12 or 18. We got the 3-dayer. Hopefully it pays off, and maybe we'll keep a little tab to see if it actually does. I think it's $1.50 every time we get on. So, anyways, we can't lose these tickets. There they are, right there. Those 2 tickets, and the 2 tickets. Bilete. Okay. Battistini. Come on. Battistini's over here. I missed the elevator again. Battistini, right. We're gonna go this way, Battistini. Sắp vào đây. go to the other one. Check it out. One minuto. That's good.
Io lo faccio. Excuse me.
Oh no. Let's just see if another way. You want to look for an escalator, or do you want to go up this? Okay. Let's just go down to that metro sign and then we'll check it out, see where we're supposed to be. Spanish Steps. Here we are, Spanish Steps. We just walked out of our place, had a little bit of lunch, and we're gonna do a little 360 here. This place is buzzing, man. A lot of people out here today. Right now, we're gonna do a little bit of shopping down there. Prada, Louis Vuitton, whatever, man.
We're not buying it.
We're not buying nothing.
We're buying the bag.
Yeah. They won't even let us in the store.
Yeah, there's the door guy.
The door guy. We don't know the door guy. You can't get to the door guy. Spanish Steps. There it is. We'll be back a little bit later. I want to go home and freshen up.